Today we are learning about jungle night animals. These animals wake up at night and sleep during the day. Are you ready? Let's explore the jungle at night. Before we start, remember, smart kids like first and subscribe next. So if you are a smart learner, please like this video and subscribe to Animals Made Easy. This is an owl. Owls can see very well at night. They fly silently in the dark. Owls are night animals.
You're a very pretty owl. Did you like that? Wow, you was!
This is a tiger. Tigers can hunt at night. They move quietly in the jungle. Tigers are strong hunters. This is a wolf. Wolves are active at night. They howl under the moon. Wolves are night animals. This is a bat. Bats fly in the dark. They use sound to find food. Bats sleep during the day. This is a leopard. Leopards climb trees easily. They hunt mostly at night. Leopards are carnivores. This is a crocodile. Crocodiles can hunt at night. They wait quietly near water. They are very patient hunters. Today we learned about owl, tiger, wolf, bat, leopard, crocodile. These are jungle night animals. Which night animal do you like the most? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hi friends! Please subscribe to our channel. It's free and fun!